Deep in the boisterous town of Mpape in Abuja, the capital of Nigeria, there lies a hidden gem. The locals call it Crush Rock. This place has been the talk of the town in recent weeks, and this sudden widespread interest begs the question, why has no one heard of this place until now? So after finding out about it on Twitter a few weeks ago, I decided to check it out for myself and see what the hype is all about. These amazing ladies helped to direct us because it's a very difficult place to find. So thank God for people like these. They're so nice. Just very kind-hearted people.
I should plant your back.
You won't plant this hair now? No.
I didn't so that to be fine.
It's fine now. It's fine already.
This hair like this fine.
It's fine now.
I don't know.
But which tribe?
Which tribe? Igbo.
Tribe. Igbo tribe. No, that look at it.
No, other man.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And how can we, protect it, exploit it,
Yes.
and then give room for other places like this in the country? Understand? In other nations, they have something like this that they
A lot, and that they are even making use of it. But we'll have them here, but nothing is happening.
So that's good.
Thank you very much. All right, thank you very much.
Wow, this place is incredible. Incredible. How didn't people know about this place? I don't understand. It would be so cool if this was a natural phenomenon, but it's not. It's actually a quarry. And a quarry is basically an area where there's been a significant amount of excavation and mining activity. Construction companies come and dig up all the minerals and resources they need for construction. And when they're done, they just leave the area all dug up. So over time, a combination of the rainwater and the groundwater that seeps through the rocks collects and is just pooled at the bottom of the quarry, which is what you can see here. And that is just amazing to think about. This huge amount of water is just a combination of rain and groundwater. Such a cool spot. So cool.
When the Crush Rock themselves, they were here.
That's
People,
the construction.
yeah, the people that mime the as in the place, the area in the sand. So people were coming just to look at the place because not much people will have access to the place. But when they left, people start coming for some kind of pictures, but not much the way they come now. Like you can see like 10, 15 people they just come under 30, 15 minutes, they go. But like now, the way we are seeing now is more than imagination to we that live around here. I think that why people are coming here right now like this is just because of after Salah. Yeah, we came here and do one party like that. So some people posted those pictures they snap here, and people were saying now, yeah, wow, this picture is fine. So people now trying to locate where this place is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how people started coming here. Presently, now what we are doing now is individual volunteer to keep the place clean. Yeah, that's what we are doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not that anybody is paying us, but since we live around, we are seeing people coming around with different kind of calibers of people. We cannot just leave our environment to be dirty like this. Understand? We have to be cleaning it up sometimes. Understand?
It's nice to always talk to
Alright.
people that are here because you have a unique perspective
exactly.
from those of us that are only coming for tourism. But thank you so much. Continue to do the good work you're doing. It's very good work, especially because it's volunteer work. So thank you very much.
No problem.
Some of the men I was talking to told me that a lot of the locals in this area have been using it as a toilet. So they have to go clean up after everyone else who just like leaves feces around. It's really not nice, especially in such a great area that could be used for tourism purposes. It's really important work that they're doing, especially since they're all volunteers. So I really appreciate the efforts they're taking at least. Stunning. We're trying to get to the bottom of the lake where we can actually get close to the water. This is nice. A new vantage point.
I've worked there for so many years, I've never noticed this.
That was really fun. Everybody's so nice here. They make you feel welcome. They're understanding that increasingly this is becoming a tourist spot. So they're used to seeing a lot of people here. But I like that they don't really try to take advantage of tourists here, because it would be easy if, they're trying to force you to pay them or whatever. They still expect you to give them a little something, but they're not aggressive about it, which makes you even more sympathetic and want to give. So it's a nice place. This was a crazy experience. 10 years this has been here, and just now people are finding out about this place. But it is worth it. It's really worth it.
We appreciate bros. We appreciate them. These are big bros. Life and direct. Papi Lake. Papi. Welcome to Papi Lake.
Cross rock.
More. Go see where.
The environment is good for tour, your birthday, anniversary, and the rest.
And
So
the
guys
rest,
come
yes.
around, you know,
Normal
your
events,
birthday, your event,
your birthday,
your wedding
your
anniversary,
picnic,
anything you
you're
want.
welcome.
Just come around.
No
The area
disturbance.
is natural, it's syringe, and it's fine, and it's beautiful.
And clean,
Just come
of
around.
course, so no pee. Anybody's coming, you're welcome. Anybody that come from anywhere, Big Bros, you are all welcome.